Okay guys, so whenever you go to a Hindu wedding house and you have the food, you always think that the food is so good, the food tastes nice, bad. And the last drop of dal in the leaf you scoop up with your finger and you enjoy it. Well, that's because the dal is cooked at the wedding house different from how you cook it at home. They bunje the dal, that's called a bunje dal. So that is what we're going to be doing here today for you guys. And for this recipe, we have our dal there, or yellow split peas. We have some curry powder, roasted ground geera, garam masala, garlic, pepper, cinnamon stick, and salt to taste. So let's get going with our bunje dal, guys. So we're getting our garlic ready. So we're gonna add our stuff now for our bunje, and that was the garam masala, roasted ground jeera, and now for our curry powder. So the bunje is similar to how you would bunje curry, but it's not exactly the same. There are certain ingredients that are not used for dal, that is used for curry. So we're gonna add some oil to our karahi. Heat it up for our bunje. So when last you had some wedding house food? Me, a long time. And I'm missing that. I gotta go drive around looking for a wedding house this Friday night. The food is bad for this. So we're gonna mix our paste here now, guys. And as I said, we have the curry powder, roasted ground jeera, and garam masala in there. Now we're gonna add the garlic and pepper we pounded. And now some water to mix our paste. So the traditional dal that you cook at home is chunky at the end. Bunje dal is not chunky at the end, okay? Because you're bunjing it in the beginning, so you don't need to chunky it. And the bunjing is what added the nice flavor. So our oil is hot, guys. Now we're gonna start to chunk it. That familiar smell. Good food. So our paste has been cooking for about 2 minutes. And now we're gonna add our split peas, our dal. Gonna add some salt. So now we're just gonna leave this to let it cook for a bit. So just make sure you turn this like you would turn your curry when you're bhunjing, because of not any liquid in there is gonna burn. So we added a piece of a cinnamon stick in there. Okay, so we're gonna give a turn here, guys, and we're gonna add some water now because it has bhunjed there for a bit. It's infusing all the curry flavors and other spices with the dal. So we're gonna add water now. The one wedding house I went to a long time ago, I can remember, when the lady was sharing the dal, one guy said, throw the dal let the rice float. The dal is so good, guys. Okay guys, so we're gonna cover this now and let it cook. And all the ingredients and measurements will be in the description box below. This has been cooking here for a little bit, so now we're gonna add some more water. We're gonna give this a turn. So you're bhunjing this like a curry, guys, and the reason why you're adding some water at the inception, at the very beginning, is because dal don't release juices. So you have to add some water in order to bhunje the dal. So that's what we did before. So now we're gonna add the water to cook the dal. So now we're gonna have 1 karahi bhunje dal. Just bring your leaf. So we're gonna cover this back now. I'll see you in a bit. So we're gonna open here, give a turn and add some more water, guys. So we gave it a couple of turns before. And as you can see, it's thick. So it's time to add water. So you see we still have a lot of peas in there, the whole peas. So we're gonna boil this some more. And then after we're gonna do what we have to do to finish it off. Okay guys, so this is the finishing touch to our dal now. And it's looking good. So at the end, if you have a lot of dal still in there, whole dal, you can either take the extra time to boil it until it dissolves, or you can whisk it. You can use an immersion blender to break it up however you want, or you can take the time to boil it until it dissolves. So this here is nice and smooth, see that? Depends on how thick you like it. You can add a bit of water to this if this is too thick for you. But that's it right there, guys. This is a wedding house dal, bhunje dal. This is what makes this curry sweet. Food sweet bad by. So that's it for this recipe, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do. Please click the bell icon next to the subscribe button so you get notifications from us whenever we post new videos. Please share this video also. And as always, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.